All right, we're down at our second house here, Faribault, Minnesota. It's an 1863 limestone house, one of the historic houses in town. And we just got new roofing put on everywhere, which is quite a challenge because on this turret on top there, it's got a rubber roof for the gutter system, and so it was pretty challenging to get that done. We picked up this cupola, that's now up on top of the garage, which usually was on a barn in southeastern Minnesota. We got it. We painted it with copper paint. I put a new frame underneath it, which makes it nice and solid. It was a bit of a challenge getting up on the roof there, but it's up there and it looks pretty darn nice. So I'm going to do a little bit of a FPV flight around the yard here, show you what the grounds look like now as we do continuous renovation. We've been here almost 2 years, and we'll see how it turns out.
Reveries of days gone by. In my solitude, you haunt me with memories that never die. I sit in my chair, filled with despair. There's no one could be so sad. With gloom everywhere, I sit and I stare. I know I will soon roam it in my solitude. I'm praying, dear Lord of God, stand back my I sit and I stare. I know I will soon